Carnival of Venice. Everyone wants to go to Venice and ride a boat and know more about this elegant carnival, don't you? The Venetian carnival tradition is most famous for its distinctive mask. Its frequency is annually. Venice is a city in the northeastern Italy. The festival that has been celebrated in Venice for many years is famous around the world. The carnival that starts with the Christian celebration of Ash Wednesday lasts 10 days. The carnival that has many years began in 1162. For that reason, the carnival is one of the oldest carnival in the world with more than 800 years old. The Carnival of Venice was the celebration after a war of the Venice Republic and the Patriarch of Aquileia that it's called Ulderico di Triven. The masks were worn by the rich people who were the Venice nobility, but now everyone wears the mask. They wear clothes from the 18th century. Napoleon forbidden the carnival that was officially established in 1979. Christopher Tulip was a mine secretary that thought the rich could go out to see the ordinary people. In this carnival, the rich were able to go out and sharing with the ordinary people and enjoy the party together without difference between social classes. The people that celebrate this carnival start dancing and gather in San Marco Square. I want to pick up your mind. Everyone is welcome to travel to Venice, Italy, and enjoy this carnival.